Now, as we all know, old age sucks, and KermitVXR here decided to shout out his baffle all over the road. So, we've got a Scorpion system to put on. Let's get to it. It's rounded. One of three. So as a little thank you for watching this far and helping me break through Al Gore's rhythm section, I'm going to give you a little tip on removing these bloody annoying rubber holders for the exhaust. Okay, you're going to want some WD-40 just to lube it up a bit. And you're going to want some of these bad boys, or a pair of vice grips, pliers, whatever the hell you can get your hands on, really. Let's have a look. So what we do, we adjust it so that we can get the spread between the front of the hanger and the back of the rubber holder. And you push it against the front of the hanger. That should push through. I'm going to go on record here and say a line underneath the exhaust at this point. It's probably not the best idea, but you know, whatever. We'll see. I'm just going to have a nap under here for a while. I'll catch you in a bit. And I forgot to disconnect the bloody joints, okay. See, I like to wait until the very end, until everything's really just hanging off the O2 sensor, because it just makes life a bit more fun, you know. Yeah, remember to do this first, folks. They're used to working on old cars that don't have them, okay? Tighten the top one first. That way you don't make your life a living hell when you realise it's gone on wonky. At least that's the theory. folks, so the exhaust's on. It sounds louder than the mid-res delete that we did, but it is, you know, a 3-inch catback system. It's the one with the back box on. It's not the full straight pipe system. Personally, I don't like the straight pipes on the VXR. I think they sound like an old man clearing his throat inside of a tin can. Whereas this has a nice sort of burble to it, but you still get the rasp coming through when you're on boost. So I'll try and give it some beans down this road here, and we'll see what it sounds like. Just sitting static with some revs. It's not too bad. And on that deceleration, you get quite a lot of nice burbles and stuff like that. So it is really cool. Right, let's give it a go. I reckon a sports cat will finish that off nicely, get a few more pops and bangs through. But yeah, I love it. It's worth the money. So that's the Scorpion system. I've heard good things about the other ones as well, in all fairness, but I just went for the one that I could get the quickest, because the car's due in for MOT, and I was worried that the back box debaffling itself would affect the emissions too much to pass. So that's why I've done this so quickly. There's still problems with it. I sheared a bolt off underneath when I was fanning on, because in all fairness, when I did it, I was too tight to do it. So I sheared a bolt on the mid holder, so I need to get that out and replace it. So you can hear it vibrating a bit, but it's not too bad. All right then, folks, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time. Good times.